West Virginia. If you're searching for businesses in West Virginia, you've come to the right spot. We're going to have a link in the description where you can click to go to the West Virginia Secretary of State business search. All states have this, and West Virginia is no exception. So we're going to go there and we're going to show you how to use their search, their site. And if you want this data in an API fashion, in any kind of automated way, we're going to go through how to do that, both Postman and a JavaScript SDK. Let's check it out. I'm Jordan Hansen from Cobalt Intelligence, and here we go. West Virginia. We have all this information here. We have no officer information, no document information, which is kind of weird for most states, and no status. That's also odd. Let's double check that when we go through. Here we are, West Virginia. Can't search by entity ID here, as you can see. Can I make this even bigger for you? Yeah, there we go. And we get over here, we go pizza, which we're going to search for. Let's see what we get. All right, so we have all these that are active. I'm going to pick this one, 5-star pizza. And then I'm going to go over here to the details. You can see from the results page, you can check out the business type and also the city. And we click over here at the details. Now we have a bunch of addresses. 5-star pizza. Where is sec type? Here's the business type. Status right there. Active. Okay. There's all the, here's the filing information, but it looks like they're not available. I don't know how you can get them. You can purchase a certificate of authorization, but it doesn't like you can get more than that. But no officers, yeah. It's kind of a bummer. All right, now let's go over here to the Cobalt Intelligence portal. This right here is a place where you can test the data in a JSON format. So come over here, you pass in your business name, you can say, oh, does this have the data I want? And this is a way for you to kind of test to see if Cobalt Intelligence will work well for you. So it's going to come over here and search and get that same data that you see over here, back here. Now, why don't we have a status on this? That's something we're going to add. I'm going to make a note of that. There we go. And let's go next to Postman. Here's Postman. This is how you're going to want to form your URL if you're starting to your integration for your API. You're going to pass in this kind of data up here, the search query, 5-star pizza LLC, and the name, right? And then the state will be West Virginia, and your authorization, your authentication will be done in the headers with an API key, x-API-key, and then pass the API key in right there. There you can see all the data right there. And then over here. Oh, no, I want to go to the SDK. Right there. Now this is the JavaScript SDK. If you're a Node.js user, this is something you can use for free. We'll have a link to it in the description, which has documentation. You can just install it with npm, and then you're going to import SOS API. You're going to initialize it with new, and then pass it in the API key right here. And then you're going to say SOS API.get business details, pass in the business name and the state, and then also screenshot. We can ask for things like a screenshot, so you can see that here. Let's click it and check it out. Look at that. I think there's different places here. This looks different, huh? West Virginia must have more than one search going on here. So anyway, here it is. This is the West Virginia information. And that is all for West Virginia. If you enjoyed this video at all, please like and subscribe. I'm Jordan Hansen, signing off.